just going to talk a little bit about how you could be using the books. Please remember that there is a full teacher's guide and sample schemes of work that do sit alongside the books and might be useful for you to refer to. The chapters have a variety of different exercises in them. At the beginning of each chapter, we generally start with what we call skill building exercises. For example, exercise 1.4, where we have 30 questions in groups of 10, with the groups of 10 getting increasingly difficult. Now, when you're thinking about how you might differentiate this lesson for your class, just remember not every child needs to start at question 1 and work through to question 30. Some children will need to work slowly and carefully through the first 5 and then 10 questions. Other children could start at question 11. Others could start at question 21. It's for you to assess their understanding and make sure that you move children on quickly when their understanding is ready and that they are capable of doing something more challenging. In addition, the chapters include word problems, for example, in exercise 1.8. Here the children have to apply the number work that they've practiced into solving a word problem. And again, they do need practice at this. We know this is something children do find a challenge, and they may need help from you in how to put the exact number sequence together in order to answer the problems. At the end of each chapter, there's a summary exercise which assesses what your pupils have covered during the chapter. This can be used either for homework or in test conditions as part of their assessment. Following the summary exercise, there's always an activity. Some of these are investigations, some of these are practical, some of these might be looking at mathematics in the news. They are designed to engage your pupils and to make mathematics come alive, make it more interesting for them. For able pupils, most chapters have an extension exercise, again with more detailed and advanced use of the mathematics they've covered. But also the later exercises in each chapter are more challenging than the earlier. So you may have some pupils who only do the first few exercises and some pupils who only do the last few exercises. It's for you to assess what's best for your individual pupils. So I hope that explains to you how you can be flexible when using the books.